CCTV
Hatu Pyndeng am kathong man long kita kinong shed hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilaban pun long hotong kajongpi. Ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Maybe bamboo something just light or something.
Mendakasngi ka santri ujliu aja punriu berok we ka perthei ka rakhi kum ka sngi penne mariang lani ka world environment day. Ketenat forest jong sorkar jelaru kalaraki ya kini kasngi Hamadan Sangmen Opashilong hakabau menterang bak jela u Conrad kongkal sangma ula longkum ukongsan haringkat ka jinga Bynta jingi Khynnah Skul na kilai tadi ki Skul na Opashilong kata ka Sangmer Presbyterian Secondary School ka Sanmer Secondary School bat ka Saint Gabriel Higher Secondary School. Hakani kasngi lapin kre ya ka jingle buram ya ki Longheh Longhaiñ bakentup ya menterang ba de ki jain Ryndia bat ki tenrai dia. Henry u Conrad sya ban penkup yu ni ki officer bat ulaong bakan ni ka de jingalang jong ka sorkar bat kam sngau dei ya ka sorkar bakan le buram daladi ya ladi kumta u Conrad ulajit bahaga jaka ban le buram ki Longheh de ban le buram ki Khynnah Skul bat ula Pyndeng ya ka jain Ryndia bat ula ai de ki tenrai jingthung shaki Khynnah Skul bat ula khot ru ya ki bakin kren aa shaphang ni kasngi Hadin balayo asngau ya ka jingkren ki Khynnah Skul u Conrad ulaya ro ya ka jingtibet jongki bat ula ongru hakarta ka ba udon kum karta jongki nang satya ban keren kat ni
Request Chief Secretary and others also that we will felicitate you, because I have always believed that this program is our program, the government's program, and being the head of the government, I think it is the most ridiculous thing to felicitate myself in my own program. So it is more important that I felicitate the citizens of our state. So I would like to request, if one of the students can come up, I would like to felicitate from the government side, I would like to felicitate our students. Similarly, our Chief Secretary and other officials will also felicitate them. You can tell me your name?
Please come, please come, one of you come.
Okay, Ms. Anjali is here. So on behalf of the government, I would like to felicitate.
Please come.
Yeah. And then I would request the team. Yeah, you please give one second. Yeah. Photograph is taken? Yeah.
My name is Gilbert Simyong. I'm from Saint Gabriel School.
Great. What's your name? And where are you from? Which school? There is one catch though. Taken this one. No, because rather it will fall apart. Na? It's okay, the roots will be able to go from here. And it'll be degradable. This side also. Should be okay. It's okay, no need. Towards it? Okay. Thank you. Yes, you can use those bags. It's available. There's a guy who's manufacturing it now in Shillong. Yeah. So since Sampath Kumar is not here, you will plant on his behalf. Okay? There we go. Great. I think it's open. Just that's open already. Yeah. Yes, that's it. Just have to now put the compost. Yeah, just put it on the side so that it firms up. So the bag is biodegradable. For Sadhu, you are Sadhu. You just take from me.
And then Sadhu sir is also there. Go to one plant.
Maybe one more girl can come. You also go.
Yeah, there we go. On the side, yeah, there we go. Great. Here you go.
One plant.
Eva, that's, yeah,
Just guide them.
there we go.
You will come sometime and check, okay, if it's growing or not. Okay?
Immense pleasure and honor to be here today amongst all of you. World Environment Day is maybe one of the most important days for all of us in terms of the concerns that we express when it comes to the issues related to different aspects of environment. Though for me, I have always believed that though 5th of June is World Environment Day, it is only a day to remember, to remind ourselves, and to ensure that we recommit ourselves to issues and concerns that are there when it comes to the environment. But from a daily perspective, each and every day for us is an environment day. So all the 365 days in a year should be World Environment Day. And by that I simply mean that it is not the small activities of planting a tree, a sapling, or doing a cleaning drive on World Environment Day. Only that marks as your contribution or your concern for the environment. But it is every single act that you do, every single day, the small steps that you take, and the small contributions that you make, those add to the impact that is there in the environment. I've always believed that it is the small acts, the small behavioral change that leads to the small contributions, which if counted in thousands and lakhs and millions, can lead to a large change. Simple habits of recycling, simple habits of reusing, all of these simple habits can and will impact the environment. Ensuring that the World Environment Day agendas become part of our life, become part of our day-to-day activity, is the larger message that I would like to share. It is not just about 5th of June, but it is about the way of life. The different small habits that we develop, the different small contributions we make, like walking when we don't need to use a vehicle, maybe shifting to electric vehicles, maybe switching off the lights when we don't need them, maybe planting a tree, not because it's World Environment Day, but because it adds to the environment. I think all of these small steps matter. And therefore, on this World Environment Day, I once again wish you all the very best. On the rhododendron trek, we have just planted rhododendron trees because we believe again that it's another contribution that we're making, not just to the environment, but also to the tourism sector by enhancing the experience of the tourists who will be walking on these treks. And I hope that different aspects of our environment and different aspects of the beautiful scenery that we have, we maintain them, we take care of them, and that ensures that more and more tourists come to our state. And we are not just able to take advantage of the overall environmental aspects, but also convert them into livelihood by creating different economic opportunities for our youngsters in our state. At this point in time, I would like to ask some of our students, those who were felicitated by us today, I would request them to please come and share their thoughts on this important day. Maybe they can tell us what they will do to add to the environment and to ensure that they have their contributions or whatever small message that they would like to share. So I would like to ask one of the officials to please coordinate that. And once again, as I said, don't want to take much time because today is a quite busy day. I have 3-4 more programs in different locations. But once again, thank you all for taking your time and coming here for this program and being part of this program. This has indeed been a very, very special and a very, very memorable moment for me. I wish you all a very happy World Environment Day and request you all to continue, as I said, the different aspects of ensuring that you can contribute towards protection of our environment in different aspects of your day-to-day activities and life in the days to come. All the children who have been felicitated, I would request after I speak, I would be requesting them to come up on stage and tell me that what they're going to do for World Environment Day and what is going to be their pledge for the rest of the year for World Environment Day. So just maybe 3 of you, we will ask you to come up and think about it. You have about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Think of something that you're going to tell us on what you're going to do for World Environment Day and a pledge for the next 1 year. So we'll pick up 3-4 of you to come up. So please think about it.
Good morning, sir. I just want to share here about that in our school, we always do the initiative of cleaning outside in our campus every Friday. If the week to make people aware that it's our responsibility to save and clean our nature. Thank you. A very good morning to everyone present here. I am Evalerian Concert from St. Gabriel School, and first of all, I would like to thank the Forest Department for giving us this opportunity to be here with you all. And my message for this World Environment Day is that a clean environment creates a healthy lifestyle, so we should not pollute our environment, and also we should not burn trees, and we should not litter dirt on the environment, because our environment supports growth especially for plants, animals, and us human beings as well. So that's all from my side. Thank you.
My name is Khynnah. I'm from Conrad Secondary School. Environment Day is a very important day, as the tree we plant today is for the generation to come. The tree we see today is planted by our ancestors. Let us be the ancestor of good for the future.
No, beautiful. 3 of our students speak today, so it was very beautiful. As I said, I am always very, very clear. Programs like these should not be about the VIPs, the Chief Minister. This should be about the people who are with us in the program. And therefore, for me, I think more than my speech, the message from the youngsters was more important. We'll make sure that we keep this message and show it to you maybe next year, the message that you gave. And I hope that the message is not just for the sake of speaking, but truly you should mean it in every sense. And you should live it, you should act on it, and ensure that this message that you gave today becomes a part of your life. and you start doing it, because it's not about just speaking, it's about ensuring that it's implemented at the grassroots. So I once again thank the children. You were superb, you were very confident, you did very well. You may be nervous a bit, but trust me, you did very well. I don't think I could have spoken like you have when I was of your age. So let's give a big round of applause to them. And thank you so much.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.